on everyone, Techmeout here. So OnePlus recently made the announcement of the OnePlus 6T. And I thankfully had the opportunity to head out to New York to not only get some hands-on time with the device, but also be there for that announcement. So with this latest flagship device from OnePlus, you can expect a 6.4-inch optic AMOLED display and up to 8 gigs of RAM. It also has 2 cameras along the back, a 16-megapixel main camera and a 20-megapixel secondary camera, and of course 4K recording, because that's pretty much the standard on all flagship devices. Now, something new to the OnePlus 6T camera is a feature known as Nightscape. So the neat thing about this is that it's probably going to be like one of the fastest of its kind, because it only takes 2 seconds to grab a photo. And on top of that, it should also be coming to the OnePlus 6 if it currently isn't already there. And then when you move along to the front camera, you have 16 megapixels. And another feature that you'll find on the OnePlus 6T is something known as studio lighting, which is going to better accentuate the face when you're capturing photos of a person. Another thing you won't have to worry about is how well this device should perform, because it's packed with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. And while speaking of Qualcomm, OnePlus has a 5G partnership that's going to be coming in the future. Now, something that's getting a lot of attention with this device is the fact that it'll work with T-Mobile. On top of working with T-Mobile, you can trade in a select number of devices and get, I think, like $300 off of this phone. So that's going to knock it down tremendously in terms of price. Unique thing about this one is that you'll also find it has an in-screen fingerprint sensor. Plus, it also packs a 3700 milliamp battery, which is going to be 23% better than the generation, and it still packs fast charge technology to quickly power up your phone in only half an hour. Now, they did remove the headphone jack, which for me isn't, a bummer, because I'm pretty much wireless everything, but I know that isn't the case for everyone. And then the last thing to note about this device is that it comes with Oxygen 9.0, which, if you're not familiar with their OS, is basically the closest to a stock experience that you're going to get without it technically being stock. And it's with this version that you're going to have new gestures to take better advantage of this full screen view that you have on the 6T. Now, the thing that I'm most excited about is this in-screen fingerprint sensor on a device that is readily obtainable. And I say that because devices in which we have seen this on aren't as easy to get, at least to the general public in the States. Whereas the 6T is, and especially at this price, it may even make it probably one of the least expensive phones with an in-screen fingerprint sensor. And I could be wrong, and you can feel free to correct me down below in the comment section if I am, but I want to say that this one might tote that trophy or that crown or whatever you want to give it. But I've really been fascinated by this technology and other devices, and it's just really nice to see it on one that you can head into a store and actually try it out for yourself or purchase it. But that's something that I'm excited about. However, I did get the chance to talk to a few others as well and get their opinion.
I like it's very cheap, because I can save money, so I can take my wife out for a date. If I spend $500 for the phone, then I can buy dinner, steak, and some champagne. It's very important. And then I also like the camera, night shot, because I'm very dark, so at night I need to capture myself in brightness. I'm not saying because I'm black, I'm just dark. You got it.
All right, so I got Casey Nastat here. What are your thoughts?
Well, I haven't gotten to play with it yet, but it seems great. $550, what a deal.
It's crazy,
it's like half the price of an iPhone.
Yes, it is. Any features on it you're excited about?
I only care about the camera, but cameras seem good, right? Like, all the manufacturers now have their own version of taking better pictures at night.
Yeah.
But proof's in the pudding. And also, they didn't show any portraits of people at night. That's what I'm really curious about.
That's true. That is a good test.
But overall, I'm super bullish. I love the idea of a cheaper, super high quality phone.
Can't go wrong with that combo.
Can't go wrong with that combo.
Thanks, Casey.
Yeah.
All right, so Michael, what are your thoughts of the OnePlus 6T?
All of my thoughts? All of them?
All of your thoughts.
I think the most exciting thing about this thing is that it's finally come to America in a proper way. And I'm actually going to the T-Mobile store later just so I can put my own eyeballs on a OnePlus phone sitting on retail racks in a U.S. carrier store. I think that's super exciting. And that excitement is going to do a lot to counteract the fact that it doesn't have a headphone jack anymore. I don't care about that, but a lot of people do, it seems like, on the internet. And also, it's $550, or if you get it at T-Mobile, it's what, $579?
Yep.
That's cheap, that's affordable, but it's also in the same league as a Galaxy S9 right now from B&H, or an LG G7 from Best Buy. Gotta think about that stuff.
Yes.
You know what I mean? You can't just get caught up in the hype vortex.
Hey, Crystal. There we go. Well, now that's
Oh, now there's noise.
right, I think we might be good. Hopefully the wind's not too damaging. But what are some of your thoughts of the OnePlus 6T?
Sorry, I'm like shaking for the Well, so far, first of all, I've been saying this to everybody. The price is like amazing. Fingerprint scanner is amazing. The in-display fingerprint scanner. But yeah, like I've had some time with it, but not enough. I just want to see more so like how it handles like what I do, because I know they're great for performance and like battery life, but I guess we'll see.
Okay, so I love the new design. I think it's a step in the right direction, even though they removed the headphone jack. I know a lot of people are going to be complaining about that, but I've tested my share of in-display fingerprint sense scanners, and this one is by far the quickest out of the bunch. Besides that, the bigger display is nice. And of course, it feels a little bit better in the hand. I feel like there's a kernel beside me. Oh my God, it is him.
Yeah.
What do you think?
No,
Colonel?
continue.
Oh, sorry. But the sides are a lot more smoother than the 6, so it's easier to hold in the hand. There's more of a heft to it. And thank God the notch is a little bit smaller.
Say, let's check the speed with the Huawei.
Oh, we're dropping some fire here.
All right, yeah, that's good.
All right.
Wait, sorry, my facial recognition is fast on this.
1, 2, 3. It's faster.
I think like Face ID on Android phones that are not secure are faster to log in. I do like it better for wintertime if you have gloves on, but this feels like we're going back to the older days, and it just feels like really natural and comfortable. But obviously a physical fingerprint scanner is still technically faster.
See, I don't like Face ID. My wife usually wants from me when I was sleeping. I didn't like it. So I like the fingerprints because at least I can use my thumb, my toes, my pinky. It's safer. At least I have 20 options, not one face.
Thank you. I never thought about that. We have been enlightened.
You can take your money. I'm telling you, I cried. See me,
But
I don't cry.
You're so rich. Did you really miss it?
Do you know how much money I have?
No.
Do you?
No.
Let me tell you, I'm not doing very well right now. I'm sorry, I almost broke down.
We're going to start a GoFundMe.
You know, I'm really impressed. $549 for a Snapdragon 845, an in-screen fingerprint sensor. That's really impressive. And I think the overall software and everything is just going to make it a really, really popular phone. And I think it's a great move that they're working with T-Mobile. I think it's going to really like make it more popular in the US.
So I love refinement. I love every time the company launches a T model because whatever they learn from the original, they refine with the design. And so I love that you don't have to wait an extra year to get the T variant. I really like the screen. Like many people haven't really noticed that the radius curves are actually wider, and because of that, it like conforms to the chassis a lot better. I feel that it's more uniformed. Probably when I pulled it out of the box, I'm like, man, this phone is heavy. It is heavier than the previous one, but you get a larger battery. Its battery life on the previous one was epic, so I can't imagine what this is going to be like. So I'm excited for what it is.
So I realized when I made my video, I've been looking at this all wrong. Yes, it's easy to look at this phone and say, oh, it's missing a headphone jack, there's a notch, things are different now, and to wonder if it's a good upgrade from the OnePlus 6. And then I realized there's a lot of innovation happening out in China right now. In-display fingerprint sensors, all those things, and OnePlus just made those things a reality in the US because of T-Mobile. So you could make the argument that this phone is easily accessible via like e-commerce and online and all that, but that's true for any of these other phones. This is the first one that's going to be so easy to get for anyone who's on T-Mobile. So now the US gets to enjoy in-display fingerprint sensors, but these are things that we only see from afar, and now it's here.
The small notch, because small notches are good. Cut!
What are you also excited about in terms of testing out?
The fingerprint sensors, because I've tried them on other devices and I noticed they're not as, I'd say, quick as physical ones. So I'm curious to see how this one is.
This one I think at least adds enough that helps justify the upgrade from the 6. I love the in-screen fingerprint reader. I think that's the future. I kind of want to test that out a little bit more. The camera is going to be a big question for me because that's the thing that I use the most on every single phone. But other than that, I mean, they always do this every time, right? It's the value for money. That new T-Mobile deal where it's like $300 towards the phone, that makes it a lot easier to justify. Obviously, they planned that.
Yeah.
But otherwise, if you can't get a decent amount of money for it and you can't use that thing because maybe you're not in the States or you don't care about T-Mobile, then I don't know. It's the same with all these phones. Like I always say every 2 years, there's always an S year or a T year in this case.
like how you did that.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So I think like the OnePlus 6T has a lot of features that you're going to see in the future. You've got that fingerprint sensor that's built in, the notch is smaller, which hopefully will be a ongoing trend that we see next year. It's a good looking phone. Obviously it looks a lot like the OnePlus 6, but I think it's for the price, it's something that even for people who have the previous generation and can trade it in with T-Mobile, it might be worth upgrading.
But I'm curious to know from all of you, what is something that you really like about the OnePlus 6T? And I also got a little swag bag, which I will reveal the contents of in an upcoming unboxing haul, because I got a couple of goodies in that I am excited about unboxing on camera and sharing with all of you, so definitely stay tuned for that. But if you want to stay updated on future content, you can feel free to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, or you can go ahead and subscribe so you can get the latest video from me when it drops. And as always, thanks for taking the time out to let me tech you out.